In this video, we'll explore 8 essential troubleshooting tools that every IT or cybersecurity professional should know. From pinging hosts to tracing routes and sniffing packets, these tools will help you see what's really happening behind your network. 1. Ping, the first connectivity check. Let's start with the simplest one, ping. Ping checks if a device is reachable on the network by sending small ICMP packets and measuring how long it takes for them to come back. Example, type ping google.com in your command prompt. You'll see responses showing time in milliseconds, that's your network latency. If packets are lost or timed out, that means there's a connection issue between your system and the destination. 2. Deep dive into DNS. Next up is DIG, short for Domain Information Grouper. It's like a more advanced version of NS lookup. Example, type dig example.com. You will get detailed information about DNS records like A, MX, and CNAME, helping you confirm whether your DNS setup is correct. 3. ARP finding devices on your network. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. It maps IP addresses to physical MAC addresses, the unique hardware IDs of your devices. Example, run arp.a. This shows you a list of devices currently communicating with your system, perfect for spotting unauthorized devices on your local network. 4. Protocol analyzers, the network microscope. Imagine being able to look inside every packet traveling across your network. That's what a protocol analyzer like Wireshark does. It captures and decodes live traffic, showing you what protocols are used, who's talking to whom, and even what data is exchanged. It's used for deep troubleshooting and cybersecurity investigations. 5. Nmap, the network mapper. You've probably heard of Nmap, the Swiss Army knife of network scanning. It finds host, open ports, and running services. Example, Nmap S. V is less than, IP is greater than, shows which services are running and their versions. Nmap O is less than, IP is greater than, even tries to detect the operating system. Admins love it for audits, hackers love it for recon. So it's good to know both sides. 6. Route understanding the network path. The route command helps you understand how data moves across your network. It displays the routing table, which lists all the paths your system uses to send packets. Example, run route print. You'll see gateway addresses and interface metrics useful for diagnosing routing or gateway issues. 7. Tcpdump command line packet sniffer. If you prefer the terminal, Tcpdump is like Wireshark but text based. It captures packets in real time and displays detailed info about protocols and traffic patterns. Example, Tcpdump IETH0 starts capturing packets on your Ethernet interface. It's powerful for analyzing suspicious activity or debugging network behavior. Tracert, follow the packet trail. Finally, Tracert or traceroute in Linux shows the path your data takes across the internet. It helps identify slow hops or bottlenecks. Example, run Tracert google.com. You'll see each router your packet passes through and how long each hop takes, a perfect tool for diagnosing slow connections. These tools from ping to traceroute form your first line of defense in troubleshooting and securing networks. Mastering them will make you faster, smarter, and far more effective as a cybersecurity professional.